Good morning, everybody. My name is Pamela Pierce, and I am videoing from Crestview, Florida. At the current moment, I am not employed outside of the home, but I am a mom to 5 kids and a military spouse and a student. So lots of things to keep me busy, and those are my main focuses, is completing the program and, of course, my family. Um, as far as experiences with families in the workplace, during my field placement that I completed in May, I worked with an organization called Catch, and we were helping house homeless families. And it was a life-changing experience to see these families so broken, experiencing trauma, and helping them stabilize with such a basic need, and watching them be able to build upon, um, you know, just that necessity, and watch them be able to stabilize and accomplish their goals. It was a really awesome experience. As far as the structure in the family, growing up, my mom, I lived in a single parent home. It was my mom and my brother and I. And the role that I played in the household, I was primarily the peacekeeper. I was just that person. And today in my household, because my husband, is gone from time to time, um, I often play all roles: mom, dad, chef, taxi driver, um, whatever it may be. So I tend to step into that role as leader quite often in my own household, just because I have to. But I also play peacekeeper with 5 kids. That happens quite often. So, so yeah, and I feel that that would really impact my career aspirations, because working with families, we may come across families that are in turmoil. Therefore, we may have to help them navigate some problematic issues. Therefore, we may be playing peacekeeper, as well as taking on those leadership roles, helping them guide them through those issues, or traumas, or helping them stabilize. At the time, I don't have really any burning questions for anybody, but I know that I have, a great professor. I'm sure that, each of you will be great resources. So I'm really looking forward to a great class with you. I wish everybody the best, and I look forward to working with everyone. So I will talk to you later. Have a great day.